Adding a LAN recorder. So to add a supported LAN recorder to your Victor server, click the Create New Item icon, and then select Recorder. Enter the IP address or domain name of the recorder, then enter the communication port. This can be left blank if the default ports have not been changed. You then need to enter the username and password of the administrator account being used to add the recorder. If required, enter a streaming port for HTTPS streaming. Ensure the Secure Connection checkbox is enabled for HTTPS communication with a VideoEdge NVR. When you're done, click Save. And the LAN recorder has now been added to Victor.